Today we are going to sous vide some egg bites. I use a really easy method with just Gruyère. I never say that right. Gruyère cheese, cottage cheese, and eggs with a little bit of salt. You can use heavy whipping cream that also tastes amazing, but I really like the consistency of the cottage cheese and eggs whipped together. If you're looking for some extra protein, that's a great way to do that. Here's the ingredients: eggs, Swiss cheese or Gruyere cheese, some mineral salt, cottage cheese, and then the ramekins, which I recommend spraying with olive oil. It seems to help. They still are going to stick inside your little ramekins. Just know that going in. All right. Well, I think I blended it without recording, so that's not good. But we'll do it again here, and you can see looks really good. I am not in the club of people that does beautiful cooking and everything looks immaculate and perfect on the counter. I'm pretty real about this stuff. This funnel I got for canning, and it is amazing for this type of thing. Anything that you need to fit in a canning size jar is awesome for this. Set that aside. Say it's probably about a tablespoon of Gruyere that I add. Maybe a little bit more. You do want to try to get it off the sides so you can seal the lid nice. Never had any leak, but make sure you get a good seal. These look like custard once they're done. Have a great consistency. In the morning, I'll reheat this and then make a piece of toast. Sometimes if I have smoked salmon, I don't have any right now, or sliced tomatoes, I will put that on the toast. You don't even need butter because this just spreads on really nice. I skip the butter altogether and just use the egg. And then you seal them. Now you can't use lids that you've already canned for canned items, but they work just fine in this case. I'm not truly canning. It's not going to be preserved per se. It's going to cool on the counter for a little bit and then go into the refrigerator. Okay, the light has turned green. It's time to put these in. I think they cook for about a half hour. I'll double check myself on that. And 185 is significantly hotter than 140 for the reheat. You definitely want to use tongs to put those in. Already. Cooking has started. Okay, it's all done. What I typically do is let them rest on the counter for like 20 minutes. Ow, it really is hot. After 20 minutes, I will put them in the refrigerator for the night. Okay, I reheated an egg this morning at 140 degrees for 20 minutes. You can also microwave them. You don't have to do this whole process. Then, like I said, I just put it on some toast. I don't even put butter on. Sometimes I put tomatoes, but these are literally the best eggs ever. Amazing.